Hello, fam. I'm Angie Mom.
And I'm Zari.
And as you can see, we made Polish boy. So welcome to Family Eats Good. Okay. Well, Zari, what you want to talk about today?
How both of our jobs do.
Oh, you got a job?
Yeah, I'm at school.
That's your job, I guess. Okay. Well, how's school going for you?
Getting B's and A's. Good.
Really?
Mm-hmm.
Oh, okay. And how did the talent show go? Let's talk about the talent show.
My talent show? It was okay. My class was supposed to participate in one, but we couldn't because our teacher forgot.
Okay. What happened?
But at least we got to sit in the fourth row. We got to see much better.
What, you upset about that? Or what was you gonna do?
Jokes, ma.
Okay. We'll tell people a joke. Then you're gonna do the talent show. Let's hear a joke.
Why did the tsunami make the water go down?
I don't know.
Because
Excuse me.
because the water went too far.
Okay.
Why did the cactus poke the kid?
I don't know.
Cause the kid was getting too close.
Okay. Okay. You got another one?
Why did the farmer leave the animals outside?
I don't know. He didn't want to be bothered.
Because it was sunny.
Okay. Well, okay. Nice. So why you ain't decide to sing? Why jokes?
Because Cause soon when people laugh, I want to make people laugh, and at the same time, I couldn't practice singing, and I couldn't write a song with my own brain because my brain is little.
But you already had a song. Hold up, people. I'm back. But you already had a song.
What?
What's your favorite song? What song you always tell me to play?
Baby, I'm going down one.
Exactly. So why you ain't sing that?
Because excuse me. Because I was in front of the host board, and I'd be just stopping at the middle because I have anxiety.
You have anxiety.
I will if I have to sing that in front of the whole school.
But you sing in front of all of us. And you do it good. You be nervous.
How the whole school?
So what's the difference? You telling the joke in front of the whole school.
There is a difference.
Oh, okay. Well, you explain the difference to me.
The difference is I will have anxiety that much.
Okay. That's the difference. Oh, okay. Anything you want to ask me?
How was your day at work?
I didn't work today.
No, like last week.
When last week? What day?
Thursday.
Did I work Thursday?
Yeah.
It was cool. It was alright. Work is work. I do what I do, and I do it good.
How many patients did you have?
Normally I'm supposed to have 9 patients, but I have a couple empty chairs in the morning. I think I have like 3 patients in the morning and 4 in the afternoon.
So you had 7.
You know what I do for my job?
You just get the machines ready, That's one. And you let the machines run, and then
So what is I'm getting the machines ready for?
the patients.
Or what do I do when the patients come?
You start the machine.
How do I start the machine? What do I do?
You have to turn on like a button.
No. What do I do before I hook them? Oh my goodness! I bit my tongue. Ah! Before I put the patients on.
You have to put the things in,
What's the things?
like napkins, into the napkin machines like they do at school.
Napkins.
Just let it happen like.
I put needles in the patient's arm.
Yeah, it's simple.
That's simple. And you think you can do it?
No. Nah.
And it's a lot more than just putting needles in the arm and hooking them up to the machine. They have prescribed medication that we have to
Just
put on
like
the machine.
just like we have to scribe teeth.
What?
Like when I was at the dentist in my school, they said that AB was out, D was full of cavities. HB, yeah, it was 8B that was lost. 8.5 was wiggling. And
Damn. All that, huh? So what's your favorite subject?
math,
Why?
excuse me, because most of the time when I'm doing math, I finish before everybody else, unless I do that math another day, so I don't have to do it that day.
That's why math your favorite?
Yeah, cause I'm able to be done before everybody else, even the boy in class that's always finished before me by 1 second, and
By 1 second, huh? Then you come in second. Oh, okay. Okay.
it's like he
No
acts like
math?
he's gonna win the spelling bee if he finish work first.
He act like it.
Yep.
Do we?
Cause one time somebody, he didn't even know what the word flashlighted mean. He knows the flashlighted mean, but he said he said the wrong thing. He said somebody flashlighted, but actually they burped it. So the class was like, ew.
Well, you know, math is my favorite subject too. When I was in school.
Because soon I'm gonna be learning times and then division and then negative and then adding by nines. Come on.
What?
Soon I'm gonna be doing times, division, negatives, and adding more. Like I only add like 5 plus 9, 5 plus 8.
That's good. You don't like reading?
I love reading.
Do you? What's your favorite book?
My Dumb Diary. My Dumb Diary.
I don't think I ever read that one. What's that about?
It's a girl that tells about her life that's in that diary, but it's a book diary. It shows how every time you don't feed your pet dog, he's going to bite your pants off. Like he bit a hole through her pants because she didn't feed him the leftover spaghetti.
Oh wow.
And then she said about how her mom embarrassed her because they forgot to give her mom the large Big Mac.
The large what?
Big Mac at McDonald's.
It's in a book? Oh. So you read this book at school?
I finished it. 112 pages. That's easy.
Oh, wow, okay. Well, you going right ahead, Missy. You going right ahead.
But it at least took me about 3 to 2 days.
So,
Well, actually, it took me 2. Because I left early the day I was reading it. So I had to stop at 85.
how you like your food?
I rated a 7.9 out of 10
Wow, really? Why?
because I didn't want none of this on it, and I didn't get enough fries.
That was like good. I don't know what you're talking about. You just ate our fries.
I said I didn't get enough.
So 7.9, huh?
If you say it like that, I might give it an 8.
Okay. Well, I'm full.
I'm not.
Are you still eating? I'm gonna let her eat off camera, y'all. The time is up, and I'm tired. So, what do we want to tell them?
That if you don't eat good, your family don't eat good.
Talk your shit. Talk your shit,
Man,
Fatty don't eat good.
that's my son in the background. What we want to tell them? Like,
Subscribe, comment, share, and
get us to
2,000 views. No, likes.
Subscribers.
Y'all have a nice day now. Bye-bye.